is Tatiana and you are on the Tulipical makeup channel. Trick or treat, guys! Halloween is on the way, and today we're doing this Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Glam Makeup. This look was inspired by such Day of the Dead character well known as La Catrina, who is a Mexican lady of death. La Catrina is a reminder to enjoy life and embrace mortality. I can't say that this makeup is easy to do, but if you try hard, you will surprise everyone at Halloween party with this stunning look. All the links to the products, as usual, you will find in the description box down below, so let's not waste the time and get into it. As a primer, I use a product that perfectly copes with redness and skin imperfections. My complexion becomes even and brighter. The tone I use is as fair as possible, but not complete white, because my idea today is to create a glamorous makeup and not the exact reputation of Catrina's image. Fair color concealer, and this time you can be super generous in amount of this product. The lighter it gets, the better. Next I will powder only the under eyes area and forehead, because I'll continue the face correction a little bit later, after the eye makeup. Today my magic wand will be this beautiful palette from Macchi Pro. Although, to be honest, these palettes are my favorite when it comes to the eye color makeup base. I'm telling base because for the most long-lasting and beautiful result, this product must be fixed with dry eyeshadows or any other dry product. It is also very convenient that in such a small and compact palette there are all the necessary colors. I always pick up the product with a palette knife and then I use a brush to create the intensity of the color I need. With a flat synthetic brush, I apply the product to the center of the mobile eyelid. If you take more product on the brush, the color becomes darker. With a round fluffy brush, I blend the edges. On the left eye, I accidentally took more product than I wanted, so now I need to make the color same on both eyes. That's what we've got, and moving on to the lower eyelid. There is no need to be shy today, so I put the color on my lower eyelid quite generously. If you notice, I even went beyond the borders of my lower eyelid. That's okay. The main thing here is to blend everything well and clean. I take the brush I've used lately and blend the color borders, making the shape of the eye more round. I take sparkles and put them on the center of the mobile eyelid. Sparkles perfectly clean to the wet product, and it looks very beautiful. It's a pity that camera doesn't convey the color saturation. And a little on the center of the lower eyelid. I blend the edges of the applied sparkle area. And with the dry eyeshadows, I fill the corner of the mobile eyelid and the crease. First apply the color with a flat brush. And then blend it with a round one. With the powder brush, I go under the eyebrows for clean blending. I draw a clear line along the bridge of the nose and make the inner part of the eye more round. From the eyebrow line, I continue the circle. The brush I'm using is the one I used to apply the main color. It has the reducers of product on it, and with the help of them, the line of drawing is not so rough. And with the brush that I used to blend the color, I fill the space under the eyebrows, drawing the wing and emphasizing the eyelashes line. Moving on to the eyebrows. The shape of the eyebrows will connect our circle and it will be more like an arc. And traditionally, after applying the pencil, I use eyebrow shadows. Using the concealer, I sharpen the line of the nose bridge. I underline the lower lash line. And we glue the individual lashes. Eyelashes are our everything, so let's add more 8mm eyelashes to the lower eyelid and apply ultra black mascara. I wanted this makeup to be more dramatic than usual. Next comes face contouring with a cream sculptor. I darken the cheekbones and highlight the chin to create the shape reminding the skull shape. Don't forget about the neck and the neckline area. Powder the cheeks and the lower jawline. I underline the cheekbones, chin and collarbones with the dark brown color to make a slightly bony look. Glue the rhinestones to continue the circle. I start with the smaller ones and end with the bigger. These little rhinestones are easily applied with the help of the lip pencil. And the bigger ones are glued with the help of the tweezers. I filled the space under the eyes up to the rhinestones with a pearl pink color, as well as the space under the eyebrows. Just a little more rhinestone and moving on to the lips. I used this already mentioned cream color palette, but any long-lasting pink lipstick will do well here. I spread the color with the brush and slightly go over the edges of my lips for the effect of smeared lips. Then I use a long-lasting gel eyeliner for further lips decoration. If you don't want the first cocktail to smear black color on your lips and turn to a dirty spot, it's better to use waterproof gel products. And finally the nose. And here is the result. I also added a little bit of gold on the center of my lips. So guys, if you like the result, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, push the thumb up and real bell buttons. Happy Halloween and see you in my next one.